Welcome. My name is Mischief.
Turn on the light.
Light on.
Turn off the light.
Light off.
What is the temperature in this room?
Room temperature is 29.00 degrees Celsius.
Noise level in this room.
Room conditions for sound level are 1252.00.
What is the weather like?
Temperature in Veracruz is 26.71 degrees Celsius and humidity is 74% with moderate rain wind. Speed of 1.54 knots.
Read my incoming messages from the laptop. Send a message to the Raspberry Pi.
Processing, Mr. Tichana. What message should I send, Mr. Tichana?
I am trying to communicate with Mischief on the Raspberry Pi.
Processing, Mr. Tichana.
Mischief running on the laptop received this message. I am trying to communicate with Mischief on the Raspberry Pi.
Send sensor values to my phone via text.
Sending temperature, humidity and sound level.
I am using the main IoT stack, which is Mosquito, InfluxDB, Node-RED, and Grafana, to control the flow of the sensor data through MQTT via Node-RED, and that sends that data to a time series database in InfluxDB, which is the source for the visualizations that I have in Grafana. These were all set up on my Raspberry Pi using Docker. So we have 4 containers that have the main stack.